Hi everyone, my name is Tai Excel, your Excel Sifu from YXL. Despite our love with Excel, however, we do not like the blanks, rows, and columns when it appears in the places they not supposed to be appearing. For example, in between our data. When this thing happen, it makes our analysis very difficult. We need to remove the blank rows and columns, otherwise some of the analysis will not able to work effectively. For example, pivot table. Let's see how we can use this simple shortcut and we are able to remove all the blanks and rows and columns immediately with the blinks of eye. No blink of eye. It's pretty fast. Let's see how it works. Now we have this data. As you can see, there's a B, D, F, and H. There are blanks in between. Not only that, they are in between the data. So if let's say I want to remove one by one, I may need to select this, right-click, delete, and right-click, delete. However, I may overlook some of the data, blanks in between them. It's quite risky though. In a certain situation, I may delete the wrong data as well. Maybe I select wrongly and delete. The data is gone. Oh, panic! Okay, now you want to remove these blanks and blank rows and columns easily. Now we can select there's one indicator row on columns. When the particular cell is blank, it means the entire row or column is blank. For example, B1, when this B1 is blank, means the entire column B is blank. D1, whenever D1 is blank, means the entire is blank. Same goes with F1 and H1. When they are blanks, means the entire column is blank. So after I select the indicator row on columns, I just press the function key F5 or shortcut key Ctrl G. So then go to special. So you can see there's alphabet S, so I can use alternate S. And there's something called blank, that's underscore K. So I just use K, blanks, and press OK. So you can see only the blanks are selected. Subsequently, I want to remove them. I use Control minus. Control minus allows us to remove the row and columns based on our selection. So based on selection here, Excel doesn't know what I want to do. So I want to delete the entire columns. So there's a C under 9. So I just press alphabet C is equivalent to selecting that options entire column. I press OK. Ta-da! So it works. So I apply the similar thing to remove the blank rows. So I can select any indicator columns here. So because they are the same, so I just select example row in the cell A2. When the cell A2 is blank, means entire row 2 is blank. Same with the A4, same with A5, and subsequently. So this is quite safe. Subsequently, I use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl G or function key F5. Then go to special. You can see there's underscore S, so I can use Alt S. So there's a K, so I use the alphabet K and enter. So you have selected the whole thing. Subsequently, I use Control minus to remove. So ask me, I want to remove the entire row. There's R with the underscore. So I press alphabet R and press enter. So ta-da! So this is how we can quickly remove the blanks in between, even though how complicated they are, as long as we have one indicator rows or columns, so it makes the whole magic works. This is how we can remove it easily. And if you find this video is very useful and benefiting to your friends and colleagues, please like and comment and share with your friends and families or your colleagues as well. Remember to subscribe this channel so that whenever we have this video up, you are the first person to get notified. If you have questions about Excel, remember, send it over. I love a lot of questions so that I can produce this kind of video so benefit you and me and everyone surrounding us. And my name is Tai Excel, your Excel Sifu from YXL. Have a nice day. Bye.